Now we are going to learn about important ecological concept called a food chain and a food web. What is a food chain? The sun is the ultimate source of energy on earth. It provides the energy that will be required for all plants' life. The plant utilizes this energy for the purpose of photosynthesis, which is used to synthesize the food material. During the biological processes, the light energy is converted into chemical energy by the chlorophyll and is passed on through the successive tropic levels. The flow of energy from a producer to a consumer and eventually to an apex predator or detritivores or decomposers is called a food chain. The dead and decaying matter along with organic debris is broken down into constituents by scavengers. Scavengers are the organism that is eating the detritus. The reducers then absorb these constituents. After gaining the energy, the reducers liberate molecules to the environment which can be utilized again by the producers. Ecological pyramid. So the ecological pyramid is a graphical representation of this number, energy and a biomass of the successive trophic level of an ecosystem. Charles Elton was the first ecologist to describe the ecological pyramid in 1927. The biomass, number and energy of organisms ranging from producer's level to the consumer level are represented in the form of a pyramid. Hence it is known as ecological pyramid. The base of the ecological pyramid comprises the producers followed by primary and secondary consumers. The tertiary consumers hold the apex in some food chain. The quaternary consumers are at the very apex of the food chain. The producers generally outnumber the primary consumers and similarly the primary consumers outnumber the secondary consumers. And lastly, apex predator also follow the same trend as the consumers, wherein their numbers are considerably lower than the secondary consumers. Food web. A food web is a network of interconnected food chain. It comprises all the food chain within a single ecosystem. It helps in understanding that plants lay the foundation of all the food chains. In a marine environment, phytoplankton forms the primary producers majorly.